Beautiful. So we need a part 3 for the throttle cable video now, because we've just popped off on the M1. So I'm gonna try and pop this back in quickly. Oh dear. Too much fun. Right, so we need to work out what is wrong with this pedal box. Right, so we made it to our destination, well, just about. We've stopped off at Londis in Esso, and the lovely guy in there has some cable ties. So we might just be able to put something around the throttle cable to keep it in, because that was a terrifying 100 and something miles of holding it in. Yep, this car park will do nicely to fix the car. Where should we park? Ta-da! We're not allowed in the green ones because they're for electric cars. So that one there will do nicely for us, I think. Yeah, looks like an alright spot. Gotta love an underground car park. So I was just looking at all of this. I'm trying to think, it could be something with the alignment of the pedal to where the cable comes in. So if I press the accelerator here, like that, it's sort of a bit of an odd angle for it. So I'm thinking if we just bend it over that way so it feels a bit more natural to the position of the plastic. Like that looks a little bit better, because there's not a lot of space to get a cable tight on this to try and toughen it up. Might have to put one around the bung all the way around it and try and just clamp onto this a little bit. Let's see if that works. Okay, so it's a mess, but this plastic ground stuff is clipped on. We'll see what that does. I've got a couple more cable ties, so I'll come back to it tomorrow, because it's 10 o'clock at night and I want to go to bed. Oh, I love old cars. Guess it'd be rude not to test that the accelerator still works. Good job, it looks good. But yep, we will see you tomorrow. Morning. Right, see if we can get back to Yorkshire, eh? Right, so finally, we seem to have made it work. This didn't pop out, it didn't fall off, it hasn't moved. It's accelerated nice and smooth all the way back up from London, and we went down again and back up as well, so it's holding out quite well. So we will leave it be, because I don't really want to change it while it's working. And when we do the engine conversion next year, if we manage it next year, hopefully, we won't need the pedal or the throttle cable. So if we can just make it last till then, I will be a happy bunny. But yeah, until then, see you later.